Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change ball joints on a 2020 Ram 2500. Begin by gathering parts, tools, and a service manual specific to your model. Lift the truck, support it with quality jack stands, and remove the front wheel to access the suspension. Clean the work area, inspect adjacent components, and prepare a tray for fasteners. Follow torque specs and safety steps while working methodically to avoid damage. Start by loosening lug nuts, lifting the truck, and removing the wheel to access the hub and control arm. Remove brake caliper and rotor as needed for clearance, then unbolt any steering or suspension links in the way. Use a ball joint separator or a hydraulic press to remove the old press-fit ball joint without warping the control arm. Keep track of all hardware and note any rust or damage that may need attention. Position the new ball joint and use a press or specified tool to install it squarely into the control arm until fully seated. Install the retaining ring or nut and torque to the manufacturer's specification, then reassemble the hub, brake components, and any removed links. Reinstall the wheel and lower the truck to check ride height, then perform a test drive to detect any noises or alignment issues. Adjust alignment as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.